The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, Earl, Ed, Dennis, guys, good morning. Very good morning, fellas. Happy Thursday. Sight and sound is good. Thank you. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Guys, it has been a fairly quick week. Today is the last day we will be in the room. Please remember, I am out tomorrow. Happy Thursday, Pascal. I am out tomorrow, guys. I apologize for any inconvenience, but I got to get this dang internet taken care of at the River House. In any event, good morning. Yesterday was a somewhat sloppy day. The trend candles once again had a very good day, with the exception of the ES. Everything did well. The overnight session has been spectacular again. Here is crude. Daily goal is 700, 690. Crude is done. Won't take a trade for $10. Gold on the Ninzarenko. I'm sorry, this is copper, up 837.50. $750 is the daily goal. That is done. Will not take another trade. And gold on the Ninzarenko up 980. Daily goal's 1,000, which may be a little steep, but nonetheless up 980. Won't take another trade for $20. Currently, the NASDAQ, which we start running at 7 a.m., has taken two trades, both shorts, and is up 955. I've reset this because I had that at a $4,500 daily goal. You know, I'm not trading to 4,500. We'll see if we can get along in the pre-market, and then I will change that to, now here's another short, looks like. And I will change this to, or at least a pending short. There it is. So we're now short on the NASDAQ. I'm not crazy about it, but we'll see how that plays out. I'll change that to a PA account. Excuse me. The only negative on the overnight session was gold on the 1 minute, which is currently long. This was down 900, I think 60, maybe 40, 940. The 1 minute chopped around and is down. It is currently in a long, so we'll see what happens here. So the only thing that I will trade from the overnight session is gold on the 1 minute chart. See if we can't get that green. No real news today. 8:30. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Hang on one second. Allergies here, fellas. Morning, Jacques. Patrick, good morning. We have jobless claims continuing, in initial jobless claims at 8:30. 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., we have wholesale inventory. So nothing overly significant. But we do have at 10 o'clock this morning, Trump will speak. Apparently, the U.S. and the U.K. have a trade deal. Let's see, CL 778, GC 1575, NQ 1 minute up 991. Yeah, it looks like we're going to give some back here. I mean, I've got us in longs, obviously. As far as numbers, yep. All right. As far as numbers, we've traded 100,000 contracts, so volume is heavy. We currently have 1,800 net buyers. And we'll see what we come up with today. I've done unfinished auctions across the board. I'll read the disclaimer, and we'll take a look at charts, and we'll go from there. Excuse me. All right. Let's get her going. Hey, Lita. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Excuse me. Similar to those shown. Sorry, guys, lost my place. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown or those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Target 1 on the YM. All right. 345 green on YM. NASDAQ is floating. Negative delta is 100. All right. Out. I still think NASDAQ's coming down. Let me see. Yesterday. And then it got chopped up. I have no issue with a $550 daily goal. I mean, it's one trade like that every day will keep the doctor away. Long on the YM. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. I don't have it in longs yet. Really want to see it above 143. You guys may want to shut these off, but it's just chop. Come on, YM. Kind of rooting for one against the other.
Happens a lot.
I don't have NASDAQ in longs. First 15 minutes in the books.
All right, there's Gold, I'm short gold. I'm going to take a first set off at 64.5.
Order canceled.
Figures 405 of profit target is not 3,000, guys. It's 500. This thing is just floating, doing nothing. Well, now it's getting a bid. Guys, we have a negative delta of not even 200 contracts. I mean, this is completely pathetic price action so far. We're holding value area low. Pretty good support down there around the 100 level. If that goes, I think this gets slammed.
Next target for me on gold is going to be 61.7.
Order canceled.
Okay, out. It's fucking chop, man. Just chop. Now I think we get hit. On the NASDAQ, I would short this pullback to about 21. Guess we're going to wait for Trump.
Order canceled.
So I'm long natural gas. There's resistance up there at 70. I'll front run that area, take some targets off, but ultimately I'm looking for a 691. Second target off on gold. I have another one down here at 58.8. Time is it now? Time. Nat gas at 10:30. Sure you remember that. I think on gold at this point we can be a break even.
Jeez. Look at this NASDAQ, man. Just freaking floating. Floating.
Order submitted.
YM's over its goal.
YM may be going long.
Yeah, YM's over it. They all look like they're trying to bid.
Order canceled.
Out on everything. God.
Yes. 443 on YM.
Done on YM, guys. Up 700.
Order canceled.
Third target coming.
Somebody just bought June 6th, $25 million worth of Tesla, 300 calls. Wow. Come on, Chooch. Oh, shit. Trump just said he's invading Canada.
Did Prime Minister even get out of the country yet?
That's why he's invading. That's why he's going after him now.
Yeah, got him in prison. He knows where he's at.
All right. Well, we're at break even. Come on, get a target 2. Did it again. We're still having the same issue, guys, on these candles. The Ninzarenko came back from the grave. I am green on every single thing I trade. I'm done. Nothing else is running. Do totals for the video. And then I'm heading to the house in East Tennessee. I'll be back on Monday. Gold on the Ninzarenko was up 980 overnight. Gold on the 1 minute was down for me overnight. So I ran it early this morning and it caught 2 trades, both to targets, full targets, up 760. I'm done, obviously. Crude overnight was up 690 on a $700 goal. It did not trade at all. And copper up 837.50. I have put these settings in the member Skype or Teams. NASDAQ up 555 on the 1 minute. NASDAQ on the Unirenko up 410. ES, I let it take 1 trade for a winner, up 550. And YM up 700. All of these trades from the morning session are obviously recorded. If you guys want to see them, you can go back and, see them. So the day total today plus 550. Let's see, NASDAQ on the Ninzarenko 410. NASDAQ on the 1 minute 555. 837.50 on copper. $690 on crude. 760 on gold. And 980 on gold. 54.82 day. 54.82 day. Let me just check one thing. And now discretionary trades, guys, 1, 2, 3, 750.